Biggie Boy here. I've had the privilege to become a beta tester for H2O2 from H2O. This is his pulse width modulator add-on board. It's a surface mount technology. As you can see, this is the first time I've worked with surface mount components. I'm used to through hole, which are much larger. The surface mount took me a little bit to get used to, but I am enjoying it. The parts are very small, so it's takes a little bit longer for me. But this is, like I said, my first time with it. But I'm quite pleased with it so far. It's a nicely laid out circuit. H2O2's done a nice job with the design of the board. I had a couple of problems with a couple of the traces pulling up when I was doing the transfer. So I had to touch them up a bit with clear nail polish. Other than that, it's worked out really good. The only suggestion I could make possibly is if the traces were a little bit wider, because there is enough real estate on the board for some of them to be wider anyways. I'm used to making my traces as large as real estate allows. Other than that, it's a really nice clean layout. And the next step will be to hook it up to my zero fossil fuel pulse width modulator and see what it does. Okay, I'm back. I've got the add-on board inside the pulse width controller enclosure. It's sitting right there. It's just loose at the moment. I wanted to make sure it worked, of course, before I permanently fastened it, but I think I'm just going to I don't know, glue one of the edges to the wall down here somewhere so it's out of the way and still accessible. So the install went well. I just tied in where I had to on the existing zero fossil fuel copy board that I made. I made that one myself, and it's working well. I've done some measurements, checked the input voltage, the output from the add-on card to the FETs is working fine. At 100% duty, it's putting out the exact correct 10 volts. So it's worked out really well. It was a very nice project, had a lot of fun making it. First time, as I said, doing surface mount, and it worked out really well. So thanks a lot, H2O2, for once again for allowing me to be a beta tester, and I look forward to having the privilege of doing more for you. Thank you.